Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to use the Thermacell mosquito repellent. So this is very easy to use, but the first thing you do have to charge it. It does take micro USB to charge it. It comes with the cable, but you will need the wall charger. And there'll be a light that goes right here to show you that it's charging. Now we're going to open it up. It's kind of held on there with a magnet, just lift straight up. Make sure you remove this. And now we're going to put our liquid in. So the liquid has a cap. You're going to grab it right here and grab this black part. It lifts straight up. Now be careful, there is liquid right on that. And you're simply going to put it in there like that. Now you can put it either way, it doesn't matter. Then you're going to take the lid. Here's what the lid looks like. It's going to heat that up and give a scent out to repel mosquitoes. There's like a connection there, so you're simply going to push this on. Okay, so let's turn it on. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to press this button to turn it on. It's going to beep kind of going up. It's going to show you the battery status. Now it has 3 bars. Mine didn't have much charge. Now this is called the running pattern. That means it's heating up that cell in there. After it is heated up, you'll get 4 lights in 4 corners. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes sometimes. And again, when you first turn it on, there's 3 lights. If you got all 3 lights, that means it's fully charged. If you have a red light that's on steady, that means you have less than 20 minutes. If you have a red light flashing, that means it doesn't have enough power to turn on. And over here they call that the chasing pattern, warming up. 4 solids, that means it's up to temperature and it's actively releasing agent. Now again, mine did not take very long at all, maybe 3 minutes. It's up to temperature. You know, if we stick a temperature gun down there, we can see that it is heating up down inside there. But again, it doesn't get really hot around this area. Let's go over measurements. Stands about 4.5 inches tall. Here's what the bottom looks like. There is an opening in there to kind of let some air in. About 4 inches, but it does sit on a little platform about 2 inches. That's to let air flow in. Again, there's what the charging port looks like. Very simple to turn off. Press and hold this. Well, if you press and hold it, it'll got like a down tone. It'll go down, and that turns it off. Turn it on. Battery status, and then it does the walking pattern, and then it's steady. Now each of these mosquito repellent refills, this is good for 12 hours. And again, there's what the cover looks like. Just pull that cover off. And it says you're supposed to put it kind of in the center, and it does create a 20-foot zone. Now after about 10 minutes, you do start to get just a little bit of like smoke. That's the repellent coming out of there. It's a little hard to tell, but that's what it looks like. I do think these Thermacell mosquito repellents actually work really good. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.